morning, good morning. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry I am late. I was watching a little bit of the raid. How we doing, whānau? How we doing? Hope you're all looking after yourselves. It'll be Saturday for some. Straight into it, eh? Okay, that feels kind of nice, I ain't gonna lie. Oh man, I've had a busy morning. Not sure how long the stream will go for today, chat. Got a few things to do, and I might even go for a swim, because it's gonna be a scorcher of a day. How are you guys though? Yo, Yankee, thank you very much for the raid, brother. Damn, we just started too. Thank you very much, good sir. Appreciate you, my bro. Kia ora, and welcome on in. Welcome. What's the weather there right now? It's a cloudy day, but you can already feel the heat starting to pick up. So I definitely want to go for a swim today. So I can cool down. But yeah, we'll get some work done first, eh? Try and smash out some of this carving before then. Thank you very much for the raid, my brother. Hope you had a wonderful stream too, my bro. Morena, good morning. Negative 20? Where are you, bro? Yo, what's up, NZ Kiwi? How are you, bro? Canada. Oh, okay. Negative 20. Oh, that's right. Yous are in winter, eh? Keep forgetting about that. Huck that, my bro. Oh, I wouldn't actually mind it, to be honest. But nah. Some loud ass birds, man. So just move it this way so I can get it from a good angle following the green. Cheers to everyone that have been tuning in to the other channel streams too. It's been a nice chill place to unwind, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so I'm going back this way. It's looking good. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, we've, I'll be honest, I could have finished the design offline, but let's not do that. I want you to be here every step of the way for this. But yeah, we've been pumping, brother. We've been pumping. Which is good though, getting all that progress out the way. So hopefully we can get a bit more done today. Well, that's the goal anyway, just try and get as much as we can done today before it gets a bit too hot. Cause bro, you can feel it. And it's not even 10:30 yet. Somebody call 911. Yo, Ninja, thank you very much for that, my brother. Hope you're well, my bro. Thank you very much for the 16 months. I hope the tests have been better to you today, my bro. Hold on, whānau. Whew. Man, it is getting hot. Hey man, I'm thinking of visiting New Zealand. When's the best time? It depends if you want to see snow. Definitely within our winter. The south turns a bit magical in the winter season, especially down in Queenstown. But all in all, it's really up to you. Like, it's summer right now. I don't know. You're probably going to miss summer. If you're planning to come now. But it kind of depends, my bro. I feel like the country's all good in whatever season you turn up in. In all honesty. Also, who here, I've got to ask, who here, oh, Kuro as well, thank you for the 30 months. 3 tests on Sunday, oi oi oi. Hey, what up Yania, long time no see. Also chat, I've got to ask, who likes Boba Fett? Anyone? 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 Spoiler alert, he might be on stream soon. think September you can still see snow on the south if you want to. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, it's kind of, whatever you choose, really. But all in all, the country's still pretty on, like, regardless of what season you visiting. In terms of, like, scenery and just the all-around vibe of the country. Yo, only one alchemist? Thank you for the 3 months. Tēnā koe. Oh, we've got a hype train going. I didn't even see that. Thank you very much for the hype train, whānau. Yeah, I ended up getting real busy yesterday. I was going to do a Saturday carving stream. But I had to be a boring adult. And do emails. I hate doing emails. But got them done. Regardless. And now we're here. Sunday stream. Gotta go, sorry. All good, man. Do your thing, brother. Oh. Whew. How are we doing though, whānau? You's all good? Oh, sorry, gotta get this one. If anyone plays well, can you keep me updated with the raid too? Today's Friday. Today's Saturday. Fuck is it? I've lost track of my days. I've just been so locked in on some other stuff. Right away. Thank you. Oh, it is Saturday. Holy boosted. Fuck me. Yeah, it's Saturday today. Oh my gosh, here's me thinking it's Sunday, and then after this I was gonna go get the school lunches. Oh my gosh. I mean, I could still do that, eh? I could still do that. Mariska, thank you very much for the for the tier 1. Sorry about that. I'm so far ahead in my days. What's Brox's biggest followage? You gotta wait for Faded to get here. He's followed my channel even before I was a streamer. Because he's one of my flatmates. He's one of my old flatmates. I think it'll just be well over 5 years, maybe? Or maybe more? But yeah, I would assume it's him, because, just because he was one of my flatmates back when I was flatting. Those were some fun times flatting, though. We were like... All of us were gamers, but we all had our own jobs. Like I was at the carving school at the time. And I was doing powerlifting too. Sometimes we'd do like just random walks to the McDonald's because we lived in the city. But we stayed by this place called the Government Gardens, so it wasn't like central. Like there was a bit of nature around us too, which I liked because I feel like being in central city is absolutely disgusting no matter where. So I was grateful for a bit of nature. Yeah, we had our 5-year anniversary this year, which is in April, I believe. Late March, early April, around that time. Mean, so we can do a big carving Sunday stream too. Say less, brother. I'm down. Hey, what's up, Ray Bread? Thank you for the 38 months, my bro. Te tūmana ko kei te pai koe me tō whānau. I'm in my last semester of uni. Hui! Yes, I don't want you to be here while you're in your last semester, even if you're studying on the weekends. But congratulations, my bro. You've been in the stream since you started, eh? I believe. I'm sure you have been. W-mans, my bro. W-mans. Good on you, brother. Yep, me and the whānau are good, my bro. Just you know, doing our thing, getting back into routine again with the creeds and waiting for Pepe to arrive in April. But before that, it's mine and my wife's 1-year wedding anniversary. Bloody fast, my bro, bloody fast. Wait, what? Tyler died? I need clip right now. Clip. Please. No way, bro. Please be lying. No fucking way. Or should I just run inside? Because I know Soda's watching. Tyler won. Thank you, brother. No way, please no. He was doing so good. I hope this doesn't deter him from carrying on playing, but I mean, if it is true and he died, he'll have a shit ton of mail to get him through levels, and he'll probably get smashed through some dungeons. No way, bro. Been here since before? Yeah, I thought so. Fuck. Ko koe te tangata, my bro. Good on you. And just remember, if you're in class, the rules do not change. To those that are new, if you are in uni, in school, not studying, you will be banned until the semester is over. Sorry, I just want you to succeed, that's all. Watching me may not help. Okay, thank you.
Fuck to the side. Hey, boss, back. We blow the boss. Big heels on me. Big heels on me.
Oh, did he get bombed? Live reaction?
Huge heels.
Live reaction? Please clip this? No.
Melee out. Oh, oops.
Everybody out.
Everybody back up. Okay, go back in. Everybody back in. I'm death wishing. Big heels. Big heels on me. Big heels on me. I'm death wishing. Fuck it. Big heels on me. Holy shit.
Oh, no.
Big heels on fucking me. You can't listen. Finish it. Fuck them. Don't run. Finish. Don't run. Finish.
Everyone's running. Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, the Brotuka lived. No, the Chody lived. Oh, Chody lived as well. Oh my gosh, bro. Let me just go check Chody's stream. Sorry for checking streams while streaming myself, chat.
Get the fuck to the side. Hey, boss, back. Big heels on me. Big heels on me. Pull boss back. Big heels on me.
Okay. Oh, fuck, that is so sad, bro. Okay, I need to close my Twitch because it's still playing the clip. Oh, that is so sad. Fuck. I'm confused too. So the guild was doing raid today. I'm part of a big content creator guild in World of Warcraft called OnlyFangs. Not OnlyFans, OnlyFangs, like fangs. And the variation of World of Warcraft we're playing is hardcore. And if you die in hardcore, that means your character is dead. No respawns, start again from level 1. And over 7 of them just died, including the leader of the guild, which is Tyler 1. Now he has to hand the mantle back. I hope someone clip that so we can post it. Oh, fuck, that's ratchet, bro. Fuck. So what happened is that the ticks, the longer you stay in it, right? The longer you stay in it, the bigger the piping is gonna be from the boss, basically. And yeah, they just got piped. And I'm just glad 2 of my boys lived, that's all. My boy Tuka and my boy Chody, survivors. Oh, man. Oh, chat, we've got some reactions to do tonight. We are going to watch every POV of everyone that was watching the raid, okay? Every POV. Because I'm nosy and I want to see them all, okay? Oh, that is fucking sad, man. So basically, you know, If it was normal but on heroic, you play it, yeah, bro. So yeah, chat, I've been playing WoW Hardcore as of late. And I think I enjoy it more than normal WoW Classic these days, I ain't gonna lie. Fuck, he died. In-game, by the way. Unlucky, bro. Fuck. This piece is starting to look sweet. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it is. I think the only annoying thing is the amount of freaking fish scales I put in. Although, you know, the fish scales is what's gonna make it look nice. Or the amount of fish scales, anyway, that we have. Fuck, he died. I'm sorry, Chad. I'm still in. Can't believe it. Can't believe it, Chad. Can't believe it. Sweet, so Tyler. Wonder if Tyler will get the War Chief or will get the Guild Master rollback. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I don't think he really cared. That is actually crazy. Wow. Yo, Kai Tish, thank you very much for the sub. Why is that term blocked? Sorry, brother, my oh, there we go, accept. Sorry, brother. There we go. Tyler was yelling finish at HP like they all and then they all turned away. Yeah, you know that meme? What's that meme of that kid, that little kid that's running? I feel like that would be the perfect picture to use for the meme. Very unfortunate though. I saw Mirror in there. Who else names did I see? I think I was just looking for the names that I was familiar with. Because, oh, that sucks though, losing a hardcore character. I don't know the feeling, you know, of especially a character that may be as stacked as theirs. But, oh, bro. I like to see Quinn's reaction now, because he was not happy he got drafted for Mizkif's raid. Living bomb, killing legit 7 people all at once. Oh, is that what got them all? I thought it was the, oh, mind you, with the AoE too, eh? Fuck. Live stream fails will be on fire. Oh well, chat. Let us get progress before we can indulge in the tea. Luckily, Tyler said he's having fun. He'll probably keep playing, hopefully. Gonna be fun to listen to. Yeah, bro. I won't lie. ZNN has been really cool. I've really enjoyed the ZNN stuff. It's been some pretty peak content. They're calling him Tyler Software. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh man, I want to listen in on the drama. I don't know, Tyler Software's a bit far, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I want to go soak in all this drama. No, I just want to see who all died, the initial reactions. Wonder if Quinn was watching the raid. Nah, he'll be asleep. Just check Quinn's stream. Oh wait, is Quinn streaming? What is he? Oh man. You've got to be my eyes and ears, chat. Let me know what everyone's saying. I think my neighbours are getting ready to drink. I can hear the clanging of bottles. He's fucky. I love how much of a cheeky cunt he is. Oh man. So that's it. Even I had a headache. Man, I've not played LOL in a while. Although I do miss playing Alistair, Brom, Trundle, Ornn. Are you guys talking about? No, we were talking about. Well, fuck Elon, fake ass gamer. And it was Quinn that called him out on it too. That guy's a fake ass gamer. Probably a lizard too. I must catch ZNN tonight, chat. What's going on with Weird Musk? Oh, he's just been pretending that he's been playing a lot of PoE, Path of Exile, like all his loot, and some people caught him out on it, and he got caught. He was getting someone else to play his account. To the point where he was at Trump's inauguration, and he was online. And he became that much of a piss baby that he removed Asmongold and Creparian's Verify on Twitter. Because they were the ones that called him out on it. It was the funniest shit ever, bro. That is a based comment. I 100% agree with you, bro. I 100% agree with you. That is 100% based. Well, Henry's Cavill is 100% based as well. I like how he was calling out the people that were doing The Witcher for, like, you know, not knowing much about the game. I loved it. I loved it. Oh no, chat. Fuck, that's how off I've been. I forgot to charge the bag. It's on one light. Let me try and get as much done as I can, eh? Before it goes flat. Fuck, I forgot to charge the setup, chat. I was in that much of a rush this morning, I didn't know it was friggin' Saturday, I thought it was Sunday. Playing up. Well, you don't know who Adam Sandler is? Yeah, bro, man's playing up today. Fucking no good. No good, bro. Never usually this way off. Alright. I'm gonna carve until it tells me I'm flat. You must recharge me. I think after this stream I'll put it on the charger straight away so we're ready for tomorrow. Yo, Bay Ross, thank you for the 2 months, brother. Gonna do might be unemployed. I wanna support. Bro, if you are unemployed, do not sub to me, my brother, please. Please look after you first, my brother. Goodness, my man. Thank you very much for the aroha though, but yeah, brother, in all honesty, my man, if times are hard, do not sub to me, brother. I want you to look after yourself first. Turning up to the stream and yapping is totally fine as well. Just want to make sure, my bro. I had I believe, my brother. I believe. I'm a believe with you, my bro. But yeah, my brother, just yeah, make sure to put you first, my man. Not me. Just for next time. I appreciate you though, brother. Wait, I think fucking Hubert was in his raid too. Oh no. All good, brother. Quick question, what's the purpose of the object you're creating? So this is a commission, my bro. So I have a thing on my channel where people redeem 1 million channel points. They get themselves a free Whakairo piece. And this one is for a viewer, my bro. So he was the second to redeem 1 million channel points on the stream. And normally the process for that is when he does, normally they'll either ask or give me something to go off, and that's kind of how I just gives me a little inspiration of where to go while creating a Whakairo piece. But the first to ever redeem it was one of the viewers, Sturdy Butters' name, and he asked for something called a pai pai, a P-A-E is how you spell it. It's a carving or a form you normally find on our ancestral meeting houses, and so we did a variation for him that ties specifically to him. And yeah, this is the same as well. So the bro Box Boy wanted it to represent the sea and space. So just lucky that within my culture we have a design that is a representation of space as well. But that will go on this side. So we're currently carving a design called unaunahi is the name of this one. And you might see all these little sections that have not been cut out yet. So those are going to be where the fish scales are going to go. Yeah, so within this design, brother, fish scales are normally applied within the high lines. The high lines that you see are all the rows. So these are called high. High means to cut. And that's what we call our 12 chisels, our V chisels, are high. So how you spell high? H-A-E, H-A-E. Is how you spell it, brother. Well, yeah, this is what we're doing, my bro. Just carving the bro's piece, my bro. That includes packaging too. Like the part I try and take my time on the most is the staining, because if I don't treat this timber properly, that my biggest thing is it might not get to the person. And I feel like, that's my responsibility to make sure that that's, fully taken care of. Because the last thing you want to do is create a carving and it doesn't make it. But we've sent two to America and 2 to Aussie. In terms of like outside commissions. Yo, Shane, thank you very much for the raid, brother. For the horde, my man, for the horde. Honestly, just assumed you'd be focused on carving. Thank you.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Trust me, I like to yap. Yapping makes the streams better. I will always acknowledge, my man. Always, brother. Have to. Don't want to be rude, eh? Yo, Smog! Thank you very much for the 5 bomb on the daily old goal. If you don't know what that is, chat, that's my age. I am 33, man. Thank you very much, brother. Yeah, I think the stream might be ending soon because Strimmer forgot to charge the setup, and we are legit on the last light of the battery. I know, right? So I think we're gonna lose our smashing sub goal record today, unfortunately. We've been 5 days in a row. So yeah, that's my own fault. But even tomorrow, we're streaming tomorrow too. I thought it was Sunday. Chat. But it's actually Saturday. Like I had my whole day planned out, stream, go and do school lunches, shopping. Thinking my family would be coming home today, but they're actually coming home tomorrow. I haven't been streaming for 5 years. So yeah, pretty gutted that I cucked our record, but oh well. We go again, chat. Yeah, that's my own bloody fault. Hey, Wheelchair, thank you for the 43 months. For the battery dice, thank you, my bro. Yeah, probably after this, I might actually still go and do the bloody shopping, to be honest. So I don't have to rush around and do it tomorrow. Oh shit. Uh-oh. That's all good. Saved. That's so annoying. I forgot to charge the battery, chat. Yo, Jasum, thank you very much for the brand new Optimus Prime. Tēnā koe. That's super cool looking. I'll show you the whole thing soon, my friend. Put the setup straight on the bloody charger after this. Bloody annoyed that I forgot to charge it. And the worst thing is, I thought about it last night too. When we finish this side too, chat, we'll go over it one more time, starting from the bottom, just to make sure we didn't miss anything. Yo, Brood, thank you for the 2 months as a tier 1 as well. Yeah, bro, I just saw. Long live Soda. Wait, so is he Guildmaster again? I'm guessing he would be, right? I feel like for the memes, and for the pure entertainment, it would have been funny if he gave it to Grayson. I don't watch Grayson, but everyone says fuck Grayson all the time. Or Mary maybe, aka Dick Snapper, aka Nick Pisser. Fuck those stories, bro. Holy shit. And he would have passed a letter to someone when he... Oh, so he's pretty much finished? Oh, it was cool watching him play well, I won't lie. But I can understand why. He had a lot of time invested into his character, and I don't think he'd want to run another Ubers ever again. I can fully understand that. Running it 184 times just to get his chess piece. So, you know, gotta give him his flowers. Definitely W. And I would say, I think from me, even though, you know, I'm a casual Andy, it was cool to see him enjoying himself in Classic, or in Hardcore in general. It was cool. I enjoyed seeing him have fun. I wonder if all the league players would probably leave as well, eh? So he was cool. He was cool to watch Tyler win. Peekaboo wanted me to tank last night, but I was too tired. Yo, what up, Holrick? Check him out, brother. Yeah, we got a little bit of cleaning up to do on this chat. The reason why I'm slowing down is because I felt myself, I started rushing. Just to get as much progress out for you guys as possible before the stream conks out because of the flat battery. But that's why I've kind of stopped. But I think for now, I'm going to finish up here. I really do apologise for not charging the bag. I'll put it straight on the charger so we can run it tomorrow. I will most likely be on my other channel later today, and we'll look at all the raid stuff that happened. But for now, whānau, I am going to finish up. I do apologise. Fucking dum-dum. Me, by the way. But I can feel myself rushing, and I don't want to do that for you guys, because that's not good. Just like trying to bump out as much progress as I can for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to finish up. Sorry about that, chat. But yeah, we'll get this done tomorrow. GG's. $21, what's that for? 2020? #21/05/2020. Oh, your follow age. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll be back this evening, chat. My bad for not charging it up. But yeah, I gotta go and turn everything off inside. I'm gonna put it straight on the charger. GG's. Choo choo.